morning विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. Today we are going to start Pythagoras theorem. So we want to see the statement of the Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of remaining two sides. So see my students, it is a right angle triangle. The name of the right angle triangle is P, Q and R. So this is the PQR is the right angle triangle. This Q is a 90 degree. Okay. So 90 degree opposite side is a hypotenuse. Why I am saying to you that which is the hypotenuse? Because 75% students don't know which is the hypotenuse. If we draw the right angle triangle and ask the students which is the hypotenuse, then they are said the answer is totally different. So remember my students, the 90 degree opposite side is the hypotenuse. So this Q is the 90 degree, so opposite side is PR, so PR is the hypotenuse. Okay, PR is the hypotenuse. So they are said, the Pythagoras said this PR is the hypotenuse, so hypotenuse square is equal to remaining two side. Which is the remaining two side? PQ square plus QR square. So PR square is equal to what? The remaining two sides square sum. Remaining two sides square sum. So which is the one side? PQ square. Which is the another side? QR. So PQ square, QR square is equal to what you get? PR square. Is that clear? Okay. So that is said by the Pythagoras. So this theorem is coming in exam so many times. So you must be able to solve this Pythagoras theorem. So in the question paper, they are given to you only statement. So that statement is given to you and they are said you can prove that. Okay. So my students, first thing is that you can draw right angle triangles. First, only right angle triangle. Then write the given. In given, what you write? In given, you write what you are given to you. What you are given to you, that you write. So what is given? Triangle PQR. Triangle PQR is the which triangle? 90 degree triangle. So it is what? A right angle triangle. So in triangle PQR is the right angle triangle because angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. That is only given and so I write that given. So TP means you want to prove that. Okay, what you want to prove that? I am just say the Pythagoras said that hypotenuse square is equal to sum of two sides square. Sum of two sides square. So hypotenuse is PR. So I write here PR square is equal to which remaining side? PQ. So PQ square. Which is another remaining sides? Then QR. So QR square. So I am say PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Okay. But this is the construction I have already done here. But when you draw the right angle triangle, this QS perpendicular is not drawn here. So here is only PQR triangle is here. So if there is only PQR triangle, then it is not possible to prove that PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. It is not possible to prove that. So we must do the construction. So if you want to do the construction, then which construction you are doing? You are draw QS perpendicular on PR. What can you do? You are draw QS. See, this QS is perpendicular. So this QS is perpendicular on who? On PR. Okay. So this construction is done here. But in my mind, why I am doing such a construction? Why I draw this QS is perpendicular on PR? Why? Because when you draw QS is perpendicular on PR, then this triangle is a right angle triangle, this triangle is a right angle triangle, and this main triangle is also right angle triangle. So there are the three triangles, 1, 2 and main triangle PQR. These three triangles, all the three triangles are right angle triangles. So right angle triangle similarity theorem, we can show these three triangles are similar. Okay, so for that purpose we have to do the construction such a way QS perpendicular PR. I am say already QS perpendicular PR. and this QS is perpendicular on PR, and condition is P dash S dash R. Such a types of condition is there. Okay, so here is these three triangles are became right angle triangles, and by right angle triangle similarity theorem we can prove that they are similar triangles. So first, in proof, whatever given that can be right first. In proof, whatever given that can be right first. So in triangle PQR, what given in triangle PQR? Angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. So I am right the in triangle PQR, angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Reason is given. Okay. Then we are right here construction that this QS is perpendicular on PR. So here is a right construction. QS is perpendicular on PR. So that is the construction done. Then here is the forming three right angle triangle. One is PSQ triangle. Okay, PSQ triangle. Another is QSR triangle. And main triangle is PQR. So these three triangle, PSQ triangle, QSR triangle and PQR triangle, these three triangle PSQ, similar triangle QSR, similar triangle PQR. So these three triangles are similar triangle. So by right angle triangle similarity theorem, they are similar. Okay. So by right angle triangle similarity theorem, they are similar. So PSQ similar PQR. So here is right triangle PSQ similar triangle PQR, which is their triangle PSQ. So this triangle PSQ similar triangle PQR. So here is the right triangle PSQ similar triangle PQR from first. So if the triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in equal proportions. So we are write the corresponding sides there. So first correspondence PS correspondence with PQ. So PS upon PQ. Second correspondence PQ correspondence with PR. So here is right PQ correspondence with PR. You can write three correspondence also, and then you take any two. How can you write three correspondence? See, very simple. PS PQ, SQ QR, PQ PR. Okay, and then you take only two, and which is that PS upon PQ is equal to PQ upon PR. Reason is corresponding side of a similar triangles are in equal proportions. So what can, this is the reason given here. Then what can we do? Cross multiplication. So we are doing the cross multiplication. PQ into PQ is equal to PS into PR. So PQ into PQ, what you get? PQ square. So I write here PQ square. See, PQ into PQ. So PQ into PQ, I get PQ square. Then PS into PR. So I write here PS into PR. So this is second condition. So PQ square is equal to PS into PR. Then another triangle taken, which is QS square and PQR. QS square, QSR similar triangle PQR. That side I am taken. So this QSR similar triangle PQR. So they are similar. So their corresponding sides are in equal ratio. So we are write that corresponding sides here SR upon QR. So see, right here SR upon QR is equal to QR upon PR. So here is the first correspondence SR. So I write here SR upon QR. So SR upon QR. Then another is QR. So I write here QR upon PR. So here is right PR. Reason is same. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportions. So corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportions. So SR upon QR is equal to QR upon PR. Is that clear? So here is you get SR upon QR, because this side SR and this side QR, they are correspondence. So SR upon QR is equal to QR upon PR. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. Cross multiplication. So cross multiplication, QR into QR, what you get? QR square. QR into QR, what you get? QR square is equal to SR into PR. So here is we write QR into QR, QR get QR square, SR into PR. So QR square is equal to SR into PR. This is the third. So addition of equation 2 and 3. So adding equation 2 and 3, this 2 and this 3. So PQ square plus QR square. What I say? PQ square plus QR square is equal to what? PS into PR plus SR into PR. So here is I write PQ square plus QR square is equal to PS into PR. So I write here PS into PR plus SR into PR. So plus SR into PR. So PQ square plus QR square remain as it is. So PQ square plus QR square remain as it is. Here is PR, here is PR. So PR is common outside the bracket. This side is PR, this side is PR. So PR is common outside the bracket. What is uncommon? PS plus SR. So I write PS plus SR. Is that clear? See, PS into PR, this is from 2. SR into PR, this is from 3. So what is common? PR, PR common. So I write PR outside the bracket. What is uncommon? PS plus SR. So see here, this in the diagram. PS. You getting PS? Yes. Plus SR. So I am adding here SR. So which segment I am getting here? This is the PR I am getting there. So PS plus SR is equal to PR. So PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR into PS plus PR SR. PS plus SR is equal to, you are getting PR. So I write here PR. P dash S dash R. So PR into PR, what you get? PR square. Okay. So PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. Okay. Or another also way, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Such a way we have proved the PGT theorem. So my students, you are write down this PGT theorem 3 times. 3 times you write the PGT theorem. Okay, because it is very important for you. And Monday to Saturday, the PGT theorem you must be write without seen in the textbook or without seen in your notebooks. Such a way we will try to write the PGT theorem. Okay. So we are start the practice set 2.1. Problem number 1. Identify with reason which of the following are Pythagoras triplet. So Pythagoras triplet means there is the largest number. Remember that the largest number square is equal to the square of two numbers, sum of square of two number, sum of square of two number. Then if it is happen, then we are said it is triplet. Are you understand? So see the one, 3, 5 and 4. How many numbers are there? 3 numbers. Which is that? 3. After that's 5. After that 4. So 3, 5 and 4. These are the numbers. Which number is the largest number, my students? 5. 5 is the largest number. So 5 square is equal to sum of 3 square plus sum of 4 square. If it is possible, then it is triplet. Okay. So the largest 3 square. First I write square. 3 square 9. 5 square 25. 4 square 16. Okay. Bigger number is 5. What is it? 25. So I write here 3 square plus 4 square is equal to what you get? 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 9 plus 16, what you get? 25. And this is the 25 square of each number? 5 number. So here 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. Means largest number square is equal to sum of square of smaller number. So which is the smaller number? 3. So that 3 square plus which is the smaller number? 4. That 4 square. So 3 square is equal to what? 9. 4 square is equal to what? 16. 9 plus 16 is equal to what? 25. 5 square is equal to what? 25. So LHS is equal to RHS. Both sides are same. So it is a triplet. And giving reason that square of largest number is equal to sum of square of two smaller number. Is that clear? So 3, 5, 4 is a triplet. Another 9 and 12. There are the three numbers. So first we can do the square of them. 4 square 16, 9 square 81, 12 square 144. The bigger number is 12. That square is 144. So we are right here. 4 square plus 9 square. 4 square is 16. So I write here 16. Plus 9 square is 81. So I write here 81. 16 plus 81, 97. Okay. And 12 square is equal to what? 144. So it is not a triplet. Why not triplet? 4 square is 16. See 4 square is 16 plus 9 square is 81. So 16 plus 81, you are getting what? 97. Okay, you are getting 97. But 97 is not equal to 12 square. What is the 12 square? 144. So 97 is not equal to 144. So it is not a triplet because both sides are not same. Then 5, 12 and 13. So first we write the square. 5 square 25, 12 square 144, 13 square 169. So first we write these two smaller numbers square sum. 5 square 25, write down 25. 5 square 25 plus 12 square 144. So 25 plus 144. 5 plus 4 9, 14 plus 2 16, 169. So 5 square plus 12 square is equal to you get 169, and larger number 13, that square 13 square is equal to also 169. So both are same, so it is a triplet. See 5 square plus 12 square. 5 square is 25, 12 square is 144. So 25 plus 144 is equal to 169. So it is a triplet. So here is giving you homework that identify which is the triplet. Only 3 problems is given and that is very simple to solve. So you are right, the whatever be the seen in lecture, PGT Pythagoras theorem, and problem number question set 2.1, some of the problem were solved, whether they are triplet or not triplet, that can be write in the class notebook. And PGT theorem write 3 times. I say 3 times. PGT theorem write 3 times in the homework notebook, and these 3 problems also write in the homework notebook and kept it. When I say come for check, then come with your notebook, and afterwards I will check you and give having some corrections, then that must be you correct it.